E-Floor's carbon fiber-free oxidized metal flooring, a sustainable and durable solution. By combining oxidized metals with PVC, E-Floor's carbon fibers-free ESD flooring achieves a homogeneous structure that resists wear and tear. The T-Class wear rating guarantees long-lasting durability, even under demanding conditions, with minimal upkeep required. E-Floor's carbon fibers-free ESD flooring is free from carbon fiber, has no carbon chips on the top, and no hot or dead spots. It has clean and good visuals, and an absence of carbon sloughing. Low risk of carbon dust and fine particulate contamination. Reducing the risk of environmental contamination and offering low emissions for a healthier workspace. Oxidized metals inside E-Floor's carbon fibers-free ESD flooring have antimicrobial properties, providing built-in protection against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes E-Floor's carbon fibers-free ESD flooring a great choice for environments where hygiene is a priority, especially in sensitive areas like healthcare or cleanroom, ensuring a cleaner, healthier workspace. With its durability, low maintenance, health, and safety benefits, E-Floor's oxidized metal ESD flooring offers excellent value for money. It's a wise investment for the high standards required for seeking a long-lasting, sustainable flooring solution. With the carbon fiber-free option, replacing traditional carbon with oxidized metals for superior conductivity, durability, and sustainability, overall anti-static not partial anti-static. E-Floor's carbon fibers-free ESD flooring solution is designed to last, offering high wear and scratch resistance, making it ideal for minimal costs and the highest requirements.